me not wanna do this, but when I saw you, I knew it. Just keep on dropping this music, I need it bad. I'm just trying to make it last.
Oh God, Carper's here again. Well, what do we have here?
New throttle cable.
Oh wow, she goes vroom vroom now, huh?
Well, no. She sounds like she's supposed to go vroom vroom, but she don't like to go in gear for some reason.
Oh yeah, we still gotta figure that issue out. So is that what you're working on right now?
Yep, getting it all tore apart, drain the oils.
Yeah, for some reason, it didn't want to engage directly. It sounded like it engaged in gear, but it didn't want to move forward or in reverse. So either whatever kind of clutch they have in this thing isn't engaging properly, or it's not all the way going into gear. We're not really sure yet. So taking the side cover off and trying to figure out what's going on.
So now I'm trying to get the hardware off to get those 2 screws.
Yep, that's usually how it goes. It's really annoying. The brake's always in the way. And Scrub's coming out to supervise, apparently. That's what he said in his own words.
Yep, I want to do this myself. Still learning. So if this doesn't run, I know why.
What's wrong? Wow, look who it is.
I thought I missed it.
Show up. I basically tore his whole quad down waiting for you.
Jeez.
Except my house.
And as your supervisor?
You're in it.
What are you trying to say?
You are far from family friendly. Wow. That's a low deal.
Alright, so what's wrong with this machine here?
Well, let's ask the owner.
Yeah. What'd we figure out?
Loose nut.
Well, she has a, I don't know what you'd call it, like an automated manual clutch.
It's like a semi-automatic. It's almost like a recluse clutch somewhat, but it's like a semi-automatic.
It uses centrifugal force off the crank. And idle, it's not enough to engage this here drum. And once you start giving her the beans, this will open up 3 fingers and grab this, which will then unturn the clutch to the transmission without actually using a lever.
Anyways, we think that maybe the nut holding down was loose, but I don't think that was a problem. I think we just didn't have good enough lubrication in there yet.
Yeah,
we had some pretty thick oil residue in the
Custom oil.
Harper never changed the filter.
Yeah.
Harper let it sit for 7 years because Brock said, hey, go through that pond.
Well, let's just say peer pressure's been a thing forever.
We have an initiation into the Brapaholics, and it usually involves
drowning your 4-wheeler.
Yes. Wyatt's done it. Carper's done it.
We had a different friend that did it. I've drowned one.
Yep.
Multiple times. So we're cleaning everything up. Everything's free. Everything looks decent. New filter, fresh oil.
No, it's going back together, and hopefully
we made sure that the shifting lever is actually engaging and with the transmission. So
which it
everything
is.
should
work.
It's working. So it was just kind of an oil issue.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping.
Helping get that friction additive in the oil to help grip the clutch.
Otherwise, that thing isn't working properly, we think. Jeez! That's fresh. She somewhat lives. Wow! I think it got worse.
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit. Oh my gosh. That's your 75 PSI.
Oh, God.
Woo! Oh. I think she needs some of the miracle oil or whatever the hell it's called.
I think, yeah, I probably should soak her in for a little bit.
Dad's waving in the house. Nice. Use this as airsoft. Oh!
We saved it!
Oh!
It's empty.
That's twisted. Hey! She a wee bit. There's a smoke ring!
You want to take it for a rip?
Hey! Oh my goodness!
I think I'm good. I don't have a gas mask. Is that oil or is that just all this? fuel in the crank or whatever.
That is 75 psi.
Ooh. A little low.
We're gonna soak her in some marbled mystery oil and see if the rings free up a little bit.
I'll say I didn't do nothing. I didn't even know this existed.
Hey. But it runs. Throw the pegs
Oh, it's
down
running.
and get it out of here.
Yeah, it runs. Now you can start sell it on marketplace. It does run.
No work.
No work.
Oh,
5,000
God.
best stuff.
No motor work. Just needs a brake job.
Yeah, just a break.
Oh.
A back
You're the
break, yeah.
smarter one out of this group.
Well, we have a quad.
Ish.
Quad-ish.
She runs and drives. She qualifies.
It is marketplace worthy now.
Does not smoke.
It's a two-stroke hybrid. Well, the annual first maintenance job on the 20. It's been a good unit so far. Dang, that's tight. Holy crap. Heat and a breaker bar. We can't get these nuts up. We just did the recall work on it, or players did anyways, on the clutch and the steering wheel, and a retune for the new clutch. We'll see how she rips now. We're gonna have to recheck our weights probably.
There's the bearing.
Yeah, it's a bearing
Greaser.
grease tool. Should do that at least once a year.
It took a lot of grease. With that, I'm surprised. It must have took, what, back 20 pumps on that?
Really?
Dry.
Yeah. I don't think they really pack them that full anyways. They're just enough to keep them lubed. So what do we got going on over here, Brock? So a complete reassemble. Why are we reassembling?
Well, got 3 minutes of awesomeness before the water pump shaft decided to exit the chat. I don't find it as funny as you do. This sucks.
Yeah, Jesse Dad tipped his oil over, his fresh oil over on the floor.
Lots of goodness. You're standing on it.
Oh. Ah.
Precious clots.
That sucks.
Short lived.
So now what?
More fresh clots.
That was probably the quickest reassemble I've ever seen
really
one.
good at this. Really good at this.
Wow, we're on the timing. We never mentioned this in the last video, but Brock actually installed stage 1 hot cams.
They're pretty ripped. That
Kinda
was the
rip
best
good.
3 minutes of my life. Let me say that right now. Yes.
But luckily, Brock had a spare case,
Spare block.
spare block.
Came
left
with a
over.
new water pump shaft. Actually, shear right there.
Yeah, sheared the whole bolt right off.
So there's 0 of them available anywhere.
That sucks.
I was gonna have one custom made because not a fancy part. But luckily I had one, so we're gonna try it. And if that one breaks, then
I don't think there's hardly any pressure in that thing. I mean, not much. You know, I don't know. It was probably just a weak shaft or something. I mean, he torqued everything to book spec even.
should have just looked good to
Yeah. Should have just sent it, and it probably would have been fine.
probably half-inch Milwaukee and a dream. From here on out.
And the razor's ready to rip. The turbo's ready to rip. Wyatt was just here. He's ready to rip. And his razor. I redid his nitrogen for him. And so behind the scenes, Wyatt actually traded his Polaris Predator 500 for an 09 Honda 450. So Wyatt's going to be going over some maintenance in his garage. He's going to talk about his bike a little bit.
I'm just trying to make it last. I keep going till I crash. Even then, I'll hit the gas. I ain't stopping.
This is the gem of the 09 CRF 450R. I knew it needed some stuff when I traded for it. The guy I got it from, it's been on the channel a few times. He's a good friend of mine. He really wanted a quad. He wanted out of the dirt bike. So I'll try 2 wheels again. We'll see how it goes. It needs all the bolts for all the plastics. It needed a new chain, new front sprocket. I ordered a new air filter. All them goodies came in the mail today while I was at work. I'm gonna put some breakaway levers on it. I did work on it a little bit. Off camera, I got the old chain off, breakaway clutch lever, breakaway brake lever, new JT front sprocket, some new Tusk billet racing foot pegs. I was kind of a dummy. I bought a chain and then I forgot to take the Tusk chain out of my shopping cart, so I got 2 chains. Probably gonna run the Tusk. I had good luck on my quad with that. I got an extra spare twin air oiled air filter.
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto, yeah. Brand new bands for the auto, whoa. Foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Damn, y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Vault full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy, boom. Get it, tickets running out quick. Bet it, never getting outbid. Said it, never had to shout it. They said I couldn't ever do it, okay, how's this? Fit a week worth of work in a minute. Machine well oiled, you know how I stay efficient. To do list.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. We are one step closer to getting the season started. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video.